Hello lovely people. So it's been a while since I've been able to do a video. I have a 15-month-old, as you may know, and getting anything done during the day with her is proving to be problematic. Obviously I can't go out and hang out in my art room when I have to look after you. Yeah, we do things together and we play a lot, don't we? Yeah. So I have set up a temporary tripod out here in, you know, the dining room so I can keep an eye on her. And I thought maybe this might be a way that I can get some stuff done, because at the end of the day, when she's in bed and I can go in my art room, I'm just lacking all motivation. So I'm hoping that having some things out here may help me get back into the swing of things. The only downside is you'll hear a lot of that. So to do this, we obviously share the common ground, and yeah, you may hear young Ruby. You may also hear random nursery rhymes, Cocomelon. You're gonna hear Baby Shark without fail, because Baby Shark is Ruby's favorite. So hopefully we can get some kind of system happening. So I thought I'd start with a haul video. So I've recently in the last 2 weeks, made a couple of purchases from a few different places. Okay. So I thought I would start with probably one of my favorite shops. So Natalie May Scrapbooking. We know how much I love Nat's store, Nat's things, everything of Nat's. And it's been a while since I've actually made a purchase from there. It's been a while since I've done any scrap supply shopping at all, really. So I put in a small order because, well, she had a bit of a sale happening, and yeah, the All and Create stamps were on sale, and I really wanted, I've left one out on my desk. I really wanted some of the stamps, so yeah, and then of course I had to get a few other things. So first up, I got this one. I love All and Create. I just love the details and everything. So I grabbed this one, but I also grabbed one of the new ones. It's a little elf, but I must have left it on my desk, and that's unfortunate because it's really quite cute. I got the new Distress Oxide color. I tend to always get them when they're out. I prefer the oxides over the Distress inks. That's just my personal favorite. I got the Iridescent Glaze from Vicky Bouton. I like the iridescent because you can add just about any medium to it to change color. Okay, sorry about that. So I've been on a bit of a Christmas kick. I know it's early, but if you look online, I'm actually late. So yeah, I've got the new Vicky Bouton Evergreen and Holly sticker book, because I thought it'd be good for my Project Life, my December daily. I love little stickers. I really dig sticker books. They're probably one of my favorite things at the moment. I also got this mask because I looked on the back and just how awesome does it look either way, as a stencil and as a mask. This one I thought was really cute because I thought it would be great for some of Ruby's scrapbook pages that I haven't got around to doing yet. These I've been eyeing these off for a while. I think I'm going to need more of these. They just... Okay, if you don't know, we're unicorn mad in this house. Having a girl finally after 2 boys, everything is pink and unicorns and sparkly, and I don't know what it is, but these just scream unicorn to me. So, and then Nat has her own supply of stamps, collage papers, stencils, and I recently got just one of her collage papers because I thought that would be cool in my art journal. And how lucky is this? Literally, this just arrived now. I haven't put in an order with Nat for a while, but I made up for it. I put in 2 within a week. So first thing I got was some Crackle Paste. Okay, I got some Crackle Paste. I like the size of the tub, like the little tub that you get from Ranger. I go through it too fast. So I thought I'd give this one a try, and it was on special, so I grabbed that. I love how Nat makes everything look pretty. And I grabbed, it's like a little present to myself. That's what I love. Yes, I ripped it, don't hate me. Normally I keep it all quite nice and pretty. Oh hang on, no, here's the elf one. Okay, so I didn't lose it. I knew I ordered it. So these were new. These were new all on Create, and I got this fabulous border. That's gonna look great in my art journal. And here's the elf that I got. Again, he's gonna look great in my December daily. Nat always gives you a little treat and a thank you card. And then I got this fabulous stencil from the Art by Marlene range as well. So that's my Nat May orders. Next, I put in an order at Kitaholic Kits. I needed 12 by 12 sleeves for my album so I could put my photos in. So I grabbed that, and while I was there, I grabbed a few extra things because I couldn't help myself. So I love Simple Stories. Simple Stories is probably my all-time favorite brand. And I love that Simple Stories, I love that they have everything that matches. So these are from the Celebrate range, and it's thickers, they're foam thickers and bits and pieces. They also do sticker books that I love. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Simple Stories collections. I love how they all match. And then I got these stickers as well. Also, while I was ordering oh, see, look, I did. Here it is. The sticker book that matches this. Now, I love Simple Stories sticker books. They're one of my favorite things ever. I haven't opened it, but you can get the gist. So this is the one that matches the Celebrate collection. That's all the stickers on the back. I love, this was always been my favorite. Before they did books, Simple Stories used to do like just a packet, and you'd get like 8 4x6 sheets of stickers. This has replaced that, but this was always my favorite. This part here, the tiny words, I love that. But yeah, like I said, they all match. And so this is from their Celebrate collection. I don't have the paper, but I grabbed them. So yeah, lots of birthday scrapping coming up. While I was ordering, well, after I'd ordered, Steph mentioned that they had a sale, 50% off thickers, so I utilized that, and I got some of these. So these are the Warm Wishes, and again, these are going to be for my December daily album, so there is a lot of Christmas themed ones on there. I got the foam Simple Stories ones. Again, like I said, I love Simple Stories, and I love foam thickers. So I've got the pink and the red. So red I thought would be good for Christmas, and pink, of course, to go with Ruby's pages. And then I grabbed some of the metallic gold Kaiser Craft ones because they were like $2, and I use a lot of red and gold in my Christmas scrapbooking. So again, planning for Christmas. Now, the reason I'm planning for Christmas is because I have recently signed up as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Now, I don't really do it to sell things. I do it to supply my own crafty habit. And this was my end of the quarter purchase. There was a few things that I had been saving for, so I saved up and did it all in one go. And yeah, like I said, the reason I am on a Christmas bender at the moment is because I have recently made, oh, that's my dog. Everyone's gonna just disrupt my video today. It's the downside of being out in the main common area of the house. I have recently made a crafty Instagram, and I will link to that on my description below. And I love going through looking for inspiration, and there's been a lot of Christmas cards, and I'm like, wow, people are starting their Christmas cards now. I'm really behind. But the one thing I really wanted is this set here. Now, there's been some beautiful cards made with this set, and yeah, I really wanted this. So this was actually from the last year's catalogue as well. So I'd seen some gorgeous cards with it. And yeah, looking forward to using that. And also, I wanted to get the in colors for 2021 to 2023. Yes. So they have in colors, they get 5 in colors, and they're colors that are on a 2-year cycle. So 2021 to 2023, and then 2022 to 2024. So this lot next year's catalogue will no longer be in it. And I really wanted it because I wanted these 2 colors. Like, all the colors are gorgeous, but I really wanted it for these 2 for my Christmas scrapbooking. So this is Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen. And yes, I really, really want them for my Christmas scrapping. So yeah, and the Polished Pink, Fresh Freesia, and Pale Papaya are gorgeous colours too. So I got the in colour set, and I also got the cardstock to match. So you get 4 sheets of each colour. So that'll be great for card bases. And then I grabbed a few other colours that I wanted while I was there. So Shaded Spruce again for my Christmas things. Granny Apple Green because I love a good bright green. Flirty Flamingo because I'm very particular with pinks. And I haven't found a light pink that I liked. But I think I'm going to like this one. And Gorgeous Grape because I need a really good purple. So I grabbed those while I was there. I grabbed the Watercolour Shapes stamp set. And then as part of, at the moment we're in the middle of Celebration. Actually it's coming to an end in the next few days. Next Thursday, it ends at the end of August. So basically you spend a certain amount and you get some rewards. You get, if you spend $90, you can get one of the $90, you know what I mean? Every $90 you spend, you get a reward. There we go, that's what I mean. So I got, actually I don't do the math, okay? But I was able to get 3 rewards. So I grabbed the Hippest Hippos stamp set. I grabbed this embossing folder. And then I also grabbed the Silver and Gold Specialty Paper. Now this, again, is for my Christmas stash. Oh, we've got a Craft a Lunch over here. There we go. This is going to be great for Christmas cards and, you know, Christmas, my project life and all that. So it's foiled in silver and gold. And there's just some really cute, oh, we got a Craft a Lunch. All right, let's see if we can get, okay. And then as a, I also earned some rewards for my order. So I grabbed this one. I really love the idea of this, so that's pretty cool. And then because, you know, you got to get the basics, I grabbed some adhesive. I've got some Stampin' Dimensionals and another glue, which I'll probably grab every time I place an order, purely because this is really good glue. And yeah, you can never have enough adhesive. And then these are the Decorative Dots in this current, so the 2022 to 2024 in colours. So I grabbed these. So Soft Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Night, and Orchid Oasis. And I grabbed those because they're just really cute. Some thread, linen thread. This is my absolute favourite embellishment at the moment. So I grabbed another one of those. And then I've already taken it out, but I got the Take Your Pick tool. Actually, I can grab it now. So the Take Your Pick tool is this nifty tool here, and it's got all sorts of different ends, basically. So you've got embossing that can go at either end. And it's got this really cool putty on the end that you can use for your Stampin' Dots and things. So, yeah, really stoked with this. I know another demonstrator, and she says she's got a couple. And I'm like, why would you need more than one, you know? Because, yeah, I will be getting more because this is a fabulous tool. And this one stays on my stash out here, but I need one for my stash in my art room. So definitely getting this again. So this was a really cool tool. So yeah, that is all of my recent purchases. Like I said, this was spaced out over, you know, probably the last month or so. So I didn't get them all at once. I did space them out. But yeah, so lots of scrappy shopping in the past month. And yeah, lots and lots of fun. So it's been sitting on my desk waiting for me to do this video so I could go and put it all away. Oh, do you know what? I forgot to show you this awesome stencil I got from Nat May as well. So this was really cool. I think this is going to make great backgrounds. But yeah, so yeah, I've bought a few things recently. But in saying that, it's been a long time since I've bought any supplies. So this sort of made up for it, I guess you could say. But yeah, well, now that we have this set up, hopefully I can get some scrapbooking done. I have been working in my last year's Project Life album while it's on my dining room table. I've got a few things here and there, and I just work on it when I have a couple of minutes. And it's been going well. I've been able to get, I think, about 6 spreads done. Because it's been out here, I haven't had a filming setup, so I haven't filmed. But again, it's last year's album. But I really want to get in my scrapbooking again. I want to do 12 by 12 layouts. I see the spaces for the photos. I'm like, oh, I really want to do that. So my plan is having this set up out here. I may be able to do it out here when I have some time, if I can leave it all set up. You know, when the baby's occupied and doesn't want to play with mum, she just wants to, you know, amuse herself or play with the dog. So when I have a few minutes here and there, I'm hoping that this means more scrapbooking and more videos. So that is my goal. That is my goal for the end of the year, to get some more videos up, because it's been dwindling so badly because I just haven't been able to get out of my art room. Having a 15-month-old, they take over your life. But, you know, they're meant to do that. But yeah, so my goal is to get some videos done, get some videos up for you. And yeah, I'm hoping that having this in here, I can get some scrapbooking done, get the motivation back, and then, yeah, really dive back into it. So hopefully I will see you real soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.